octopus. It belongs to the category of squid. Its body is of soft mollusk. It can change its color and texture, adapting to its amazing environment, full of coral reeds of orange, brown, and green that is covered in purple. Aristotle thought it was a stupid creature. However, scientific facts prove the opposite, as it has 9 brains that move its arms, and each arm has a mind that moves it. Not only that, but scientists believe that it is a very intelligent being, in addition to its sensitive sense, because of its 3 hearts. It's the octopus, the special creature in the sea world, unique in its features. It has blue blood, passes through its arteries and veins, a deadly poison emanating from its body, and thick inks produced by its body. What are the strange and distinctive facts about the octopus? Let's dive into the depths together to see the octopus life closely. Octopus reproduction. Males and females octopuses mature affected by several environmental conditions, such as light, temperature, and nutrition, those factors that also affect their lifespan. The octopus enters the mating season, looking for its females, trying to get closer to the female who rejects him for a while, and then accepts him over time. Reproduction takes place over weeks and for several hours, by sitting the male octopus next to the female to be able to transport sperm through one of his arms, which is called hectocotylus, which is responsible for male reproduction. Sperm enter the fertilization stage in the female mantle cavity, and finally settle in the ovary. However, she is not satisfied with only one husband, and doesn't stop having relationships with other males. And octopus males are associated with immature females. However, some females reject him if she is pregnant, as she is preparing for the laying egg stage. That is the period for which the female octopus arranges 40 days after meeting the male. Then, the male has aged after mating, and usually they die. Unlike females, who begin their new duties as a mother, taking care of their eggs until they hatch. She has to ventilate her eggs, as well as keep them clean, as care is the stage that ensures that eggs last for the longest time without damage. Octopus egg-laying stage. The female octopus dives to the depths of the Pacific Ocean to be able to preserve her fertilized eggs in groups ranging from 10,000 to 70,000 eggs. The female octopus puts them in cracks and bumps between the rocks. She begins her task of taking care of her young until they hatch. The mother's care for her young continues for 5 months, at an average of 150 days as a maximum in the Pacific Ocean. The stage of the baby octopus emerging from the eggs may take a longer period of up to 10 months. This happens if the female lays her eggs in cold Alaskan waters. Baby octopus appearance. Octopus eggs look like an inch-long germ disc with a large body inside, where a small yellow body tilted to orange and has eyes on the ends, from which 3 branches emerge. Inside it grows a bag that takes the shape of an octopus. The mother protects it from dangers and preserves them until they are fully developed. But the mother's role stops there, and she doesn't teach her young how to face life, which makes young octopuses depend on observational skills to acquire the necessary skills to live in their marine environment. The octopus shape after the baby transformation. The young have the features of a large octopus belonging to the invertebrate species, the rank of mollusks. The eggs hatch and a small octopus emerges from it with the features of a large octopus, and each has its importance and role that enables it to adapt to the environment around it. It is born with 2 eyes and a mouth located at the central meeting point of the 8 limbs. It is born with a strong nervous system, so its eyesight increases and also shows a very glossy and smooth texture. The octopus can extend its 8 arms, so it appears long without a crust covering it, as the length of one arm is estimated at 9 meters. Its length, after its maturity, ranges between 1 and 3 feet, and the largest octopus can reach 18 feet or 5.4 meters. At that time, scientists noticed the extent of the roundness of the octopus's bodies after its growth, and their eyes were protruding and swollen. Octopus features: its shape, its teeth. The octopus's head extends from its limbs, and a mouth called a beak, which shows very small features, helps it cut up its prey, which cannot swallow. Through it, it can break the oyster, which is hidden away from its arms. In the octopus mouth, there are teeth used to cut meat, in addition to removing the shells and opening them. The octopus has a stripe covering its tongue, which is called a radiola. After its prey passes through this small mouth, its long tentacles made of muscles can identify its food due to the properties that are capable of determining the taste of food. And after it passes into the throat, the octopus incisors in the throat grind it. Octopus sucker. The octopus has 8 arms called claws, legs, or appendages, covered with a substance called octopus suckers, which are numerous in each arm. There are 280 lollipops per arm, and they do not have any claws, contrary to what is common. This straw acts like a suction cup that is attached to the body, contains the reactants which allow the octopus to check what's around it in the environment, and increases its understanding of the food types. Octopus arms. Octopus arms are thicker, getting smaller and eventually tapering off at the ends. The length of the arm is about 4.9 meters. Octopus arms have great importance in octopus life. The 8 arms are considered the factor that connects the octopus with the things surrounding it, for its ability to support its sense and communication with other creatures. Octopus arms support getting food, so they open oysters. These arms direct a small brain to each of the 8 arms, so it is known that the octopus has 9 brains. Many of the muscles that make up them contribute to the movement of the arms. The importance of the 8 arms for the octopus is highlighted in grab the prey, help the octopus to walk, and cling to the coral reefs, and the ability to fully control its arms and movement. Octopus eyes. Scientists believe that the eyes of an octopus are like a camera. Studies indicated its ability to transform vision and change image features. The exact formation of the octopus's eyes is extremely accurate and unique due to its features. The eyes of the octopus are located at the top of the head, surrounded by a cartilaginous capsule attached to its skull, made up of a cornea covered with a transparent layer. And anatomically, the retinal cells that receive light are located in the back of the eye. This is not only what distinguishes the octopus. Octopus hearts. The octopus has 3 hearts, especially 2 octopus hearts pump blood through the gills, which help it pick up oxygen, while the main heart, called the central heart, distributes the oxygenated blood to the octopus's various organs and muscles. This makes us get into the blood circulation of the octopus. Blue blood flows between the veins of the octopus. Scientists attributed this to the flow of the protein hemocyanin. That substance is responsible for transporting oxygen with high efficiency. The blood of the octopus especially consists of substances that contribute to the transfer of oxygen to the various parts of its body, where the copper-rich protein hemocyanin is a higher oxygen vector than the hemoglobin in human blood. The octopus belongs to the closed periodic system, which makes it pass through the blood vessels. The octopus heart has a different composition, as consists of 1 ventricle, 2 atria, and muscular walls, in addition to the formation of blood vessels, veins, and capillaries lined with a cellular endothelium, which makes the blood sticky in addition to its ability to raise the blood pressure of the octopus to reach 75 millimeters of mercury. Octopus breathing process. Octopus pass water through its gills, while respiration is carried out by expelling water through an area called the siphon. In particular, the respiratory system contains connective tissue networks that expand the respiratory chamber, allowing the arrival of 65% of oxygen. The breathing process is not limited only to the gills, but extends to the octopus skin, which is able to absorb high levels of oxygen when swimming. Digestive system. The octopus also has a digestive system that contains a group of membranes stuck in the internal mantle cavities. While it extracts many liquids that contribute to the grinding of food and then absorbs it, the food remains collect in the accumulated waste, and the octopus disposes of them through the rectal area. It also urinates by emptying the urine into a cavity in the area of the renal papillae mantle. Octopus nervous system. The octopus is known for its powerful nervous system, which contains a cartilaginous capsule. Neurons are abundant in its 8 arms. Ink sac. Octopus is famous in the marine animals world for its production of inks, as it is born with a squid bag located at the bottom of the digestive gland. The inks blew into the water, passing through the mucus. Therefore, mucus gathering in the ink results in a large black bubble that can help animals escape predation clutches if the octopus spews its ink filled with melanin in a spot close to the animal looking for an escape. Octopus movement. The octopus's movement is a distinctive rhythm, swimming in the water very slowly and with his arms movement behind his back. Octopuses crawl on hard or soft surfaces at the bottom of the oceans and seas. Here, the dynamics of the breathing process are observed by expelling water from the mantle through the siphon to the sea. Octopus invisibility. Octopuses can hide by using the stealth feature, a phenomenon known scientifically as camouflage. Where skin cells stand out, which completely changes its appearance, these cells have a range of colors: white colors, iridescent colors, known for their ability to protect octopus groups from predation. Warnings are sent through. It takes the surrounding environment as a model to transform based on the colors available in it, so it becomes covered with nature to hide in it. This makes it able to hide from predators. We find in the octopus's quiver many tricks and secrets, and another trick emerges, as the octopuses can simulate a trick known as moving rocks. Octopus takes the form of a rock, moving very slowly at the water speed, and then hunting its prey or fleeing if it is in danger. Octopus habitat. Octopuses live in warm or temperate waters, inhabit the bottom of the oceans, and can live in the depths of the sea where the waters are shallow. Octopuses are often found in tropical or subtropical and temperate waters that lie at depths ranging from 100 to 150 meters. Scientists believe that the octopus does not inhabit the polar or subpolar regions. They also refer to octopus settlement in the coastal waters and the upper part of the continental shelf, where coral reefs and benthic aquatic areas. Geographically, the octopus takes the Indian Ocean as its home, as well as in the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Scientists drew attention to its growing presence in the Mediterranean Sea and the Eastern Atlantic Ocean, as well as its presence in Japanese waters. Octopus food. About the octopus food. It obtains its food from its environment, as it feeds on organisms that belong to the gastropods category. Octopus feeds on snails, marine mollusks, and crustaceans such as lobsters, fish, and crab. As its food varies, eats bivalves, mussels, clams. Scientific studies have indicated its ability to eat birds and fish. The octopus falls on its prey from above, then wraps its arms capable of sucking and pulling the prey directly into its mouth. Does octopus sleep? It has all the characteristics of mammals, even their ability to sleep. However, it has two types: quiet sleep and active sleep, so it can see at night, through its arms. Scientists stated that octopuses can see even during sleep or close their eyes. For these types of sleep, developments occur in the body. During the octopus's active periods of sleep, octopuses change color, and their bodies are subjected to strong shakes. A neuroscientist at the Brain Institute of the Federal University, Rio Grande do Norte, indicated that the period of an octopus's dream does not exceed 1 minute. As for the active sleep movement, scientists have compared it to rapid eye movement, and they did not verify the changes that occur during it for the octopus. While Sylvia Medeiros, a graduate student at the Brain Institute, believes that they take 40 seconds to change the color and texture of their skin, as well as being able to move their eyes while sleeping. Octopus regeneration. The distinctive characteristics of the octopus did not end. It has the feature of regeneration. The octopus regeneration process takes up to 3 days after being infected to turn into bumps or shapes that look like a hook. Studies have indicated the possibility of renewing an entire arm of an octopus if it is attacked within 130 days to complete its growth. Octopus age. Research indicates the limited lifespan of the octopus, which is associated with the mating season, after which it enters a period called senescence. It is subjected to the collapse of cellular function irreversibly, and it cannot be repaired or replaced. So, the lifespan of a giant octopus ranges from 3 to 5 years. Males usually die after mating, which lasts for a week. Octopus dangers to humans. Octopus is abundant in the seas and oceans, and is dangerous to humans. Scientists have discovered its ability to threaten human life and kill it instantly. Octopus spews its poison, or stings humans if someone approaches it. SeaWorld experts say that octopuses are unpredictable, as they are strange and aggressive creatures towards humans, causing serious injuries. This happens if they are provoked by humans. If the octopus catches anyone, he can escape. But if the octopus is in its medium size, all he has to do is push the human himself forward, which puts pressure on the octopus arm. If it resists and draws him back, all humanity has to do is keep trying. However, studies find that the octopus is shy and friendly at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean, and humans can find the most deadly giant squid among marine animals where the blue-ringed octopuses live in the warm, shallow coastal waters. A 2019 study considered it to be more poisonous for its ability to deliver poison through its beak. Octopus sting or wound the prey's skin, so that the poison is absorbed down to the skin. This is what is scientifically called negative absorption. Is the octopus endangered? Octopuses are among the marine creatures that are not on the red list of the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Despite this, it is a common food in Asian meals that affects their presence and survival. Being hunted by biting the octopus in the area between the eyes, where the brain is the most influential and able to paralyze its movement, and being killed instantly. In particular, many studies have indicated that the octopus is exposed to several factors that make it on the list of endangered animals, as they are subjected to loss in the areas in which they live on the seabed, due to trees' encroachment and the removal of rocks in their folds, which is the preservation area for giant squid eggs. Therefore, scientists expect the octopus to become extinct in the coming years. The octopus has feelings and emotions, as it is a marine creature, hurts and feels the field around it. It can blow the poison if it feels dangerous or is provoked. Everyone perceives it's funny and light-moving, but in moments, it may appear to look like water and resemble the herbs and plants surrounding it. It exercises stealth kills to escape from predators, or to attack it from above to paralyze its movement and swallow it. It sleeps without being attacked by the prey. It might even hunt it. It can eat a shark. It really is an unpredictable mollusk.